problem this week. We're having a trunk or treat at our church, and I'm able to go ahead and participate in it. And I had to come up with an idea, and I had to do it quick. And I thought of a couple of things. One of them was making a wood shop in the back of my truck, and the other one was well, just making a Goliath and knocking his head off. Well, I had to come up with the idea of doing that, and I had to come up with the idea on how big I wanted. Well, I had from another project, which you'll be seeing here in the future, I had some boards that I took off of it, and one 4x8, just about a 4x8 or 4x6 piece of board of plywood, and I decided to go ahead and make the giant. If you look off to my right now, off your left, this is it.
Meet Goliath.
This is my Goliath. Now everything you see here on this is used from other stuff. There's nothing here that's bought, nothing that's brand new. Everything here is used. The lights that you actually see on the sword are from another project that I was working on. Actually, it was putting lights down the sides of our pontoon boat, and those were the strips that we have extra. So I wired those up to a transformer, and that transformer can actually be used in the vehicle, so I'll be able to use this outside at the church. And I covered it in a piece of plexiglass.
You covered the whole thing or just the lights?
Just the light. The light was covered when I cut this on the table saw. This was off of an old big screen TV, you know, it had the big projector bulbs. I kept the plastic out of it, and it ended up being perfect for this particular item. Now the cool thing here is, this is a Goliath, and you're supposed to defeat the Goliath by hitting it with a beanbag. When you take a beanbag and hit the head, you defeat the Goliath. Then I got a string that you pull, and you got to pull fast, and it resets the Goliath for the next kid. But this is it. This is what I did, and just too bad I didn't record it, but I didn't want to take the time. You YouTubers and all those out there know recording a video takes a lot of time, along with doing a project. Well, I just went ahead and done the project. So, kind of cool, and we're on to the next. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you how this all worked. Now, it's going to be in the back of my pickup truck, so I'm going to be standing out front that way. So when they hit it with a beanbag, the head comes over and lands down like that. And I've got if you look underneath here, there's this board that's tied to the string that goes down here, down to the bottom, and actually goes through the board, so I can be in front and pull on it when somebody hits it. So let me show you how that works. So somebody hits it, knocks it over, and I just have to be here and break the string. This is a bad string. I've got to get another string, a nylon, because just a regular cloth string isn't going to work. But anyway, that's the concept where this pulls and it lifts this up and throws it up. It's worked before, but it was a shorter piece. I just got to get something shorter, longer. And that's the way it works. I mean, hey, use what you got, making it work, right? Click on the like and the subscribe, and hope you enjoyed it. As long as you don't hit my truck. Now go ahead and pull the string real hard.
Pull it hard?
Come here. Uber.
Whoop, there it is.
Oop, there you